Hey everyone, welcome to the Next Tech channel. Today, we want to talk about some exciting ways you can use AI technology to make money online. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for new ways to earn some extra cash, these ideas are sure to spark some inspiration. Developing and selling AI-powered software or apps. With the rise of AI, there's a growing demand for intelligent software and apps that can automate repetitive tasks, provide personalized recommendations, and even make decisions on their own. As a developer, you can create and sell these types of products to businesses and consumers alike. Providing AI consulting services to businesses. As more and more companies are looking to integrate AI into their operations, there's a growing need for experts who can help them do that. As an AI consultant, you can help businesses understand the benefits of AI and how to implement it effectively. Creating and selling AI-generated content, such as music or artwork. With the help of AI, you can create unique and interesting content that can be sold to a wide range of audiences. Whether it's music, artwork, or even writing, there's a lot of opportunity to make money with AI-generated content. Developing and selling AI-powered chatbots for customer service. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for customer service and support, as they can provide quick and accurate answers to common questions. As a developer, you can create and sell chatbots to businesses looking to improve their customer service. Using AI to optimize and automate digital marketing campaigns. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data and make predictions about consumer behavior, which can help businesses create more effective marketing campaigns. As a digital marketer, you can use AI to optimize your own campaigns or offer your services to others. Building and training machine learning models for sale or rent on marketplaces. With the rise of machine learning, there's a growing demand for pre-trained models that can be used to solve specific tasks. As a developer, you can build and train models and then sell or rent them on marketplaces like Kaggle or Algorithmia. Developing and selling virtual reality or augmented reality experiences powered by AI. VR and AR technologies have seen a huge growth in recent years, and AI can help to create more engaging and personalized experiences. As a developer, you can create and sell VR/AR experiences powered by AI to a wide range of industries. So, there you have it, 7 ways to make money online using AI technologies. From developing and selling software to providing consulting services, there are plenty of opportunities to turn your passion for AI into a profitable business. I hope this video has given you some inspiration, and if you have any more ideas or already working on something, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Peace.